Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the naming question of exercise 13.1, that's surface area and volume. In question number 4, the statement is a cubical block of size 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. That's we have a cubical block. This is the cubical block which is surmounted by a hemisphere. This is the cubical block and this is the hemisphere. This is the hemisphere surmounted by a hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. And the question is, what is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? In this question, first side of cubical block. As we know, the side of cubical block is given, which is 7 centimeter. So the diameter of sphere is equals to the side of the cubical block. So this is the diameter. D is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere is 7.2. Find the surface area of this solid. Surface area of solid. This is equals to the total surface area of cube plus area of surface area of hemisphere, and mass area of base of hemisphere. So area of this cubical block is total surface area of this block plus area of this hemisphere and mass area of this base which we shown by dotted lines. This is the area of base. This include in the cube. So this is we take only this as a ones which is in cube. So we cannot take it in the hemisphere. So the area of cube is 6a square. Area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and area of this dotted base is pi r square. So this is 6. Side is 7 square. This is pi r square. So this is 6 into 49. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is 7.2 whole square. This is 54 and 5. This is 24, 294. This is 22 by 7, 7.2, 7.2. This 7 cancel out. This is 11. So this becomes 294 plus this is 77 upon 2. So this is 294 plus this is 38.5. 12. This is 3.5 centimeter square. This is the surface area, total surface area of this solid. In this question, first we take the total surface area of this cubical block, which is 6x square, and surface area of this hemisphere. When we take these dotted areas, these are included in this cube. So it cannot be included in the hemisphere. So we subtract this area from the hemisphere. In question number 5, the statement is a hemispherical depression is cut out of one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L. In this question, side of cube is L and diameter of hemisphere hemisphere which is L. So D is L, radius is L upon 2. We are required to find the surface area of solid. So surface area of solid is solid. In this diagram we draw hemisphere here. So the surface area of solid is same. Total surface area of cube plus surface area of hemisphere means area of base of hemisphere, area of base. So total surface area of cube is 6l square, hemisphere is 2 pi r square and it's r pi r square. So this is 6l square plus pi r square. So value of r is L upon 2. So it becomes 6l square plus pi l square by 4. When we take the LCM, this is 4, this is 6l square, 24 l square plus pi l square. When we take this l square common, this is pi plus 24 upon 4 centimeter square. This is the total area, surface area of this solid. In the next question, the statement is question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder. This is the medicine capsule in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck. This is the hemisphere. This is the one hemisphere. This is the second hemisphere. Here the capsule is like this shape. These are the 2 hemispheres. In this question, this is the cylindrical portion. We draw it with the dotted lines. This is the cylindrical portion. This is the diameter of cylinder. This is the diameter of cylinder. This is the radius of hemisphere. This is the radius of hemisphere. The total length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. This is the total length of the capsule, and diameter of capsule is 4 mm. This is the diameter. So diameter is 5 mm. So its radius is d upon 2, which is 5.2 mm. This means this side is 5.2 mm. This is also 5.2 mm. So the length of cylindrical part, total length is 14 means 5.2 means 5.2. This becomes 5. So 9 mm is the length of this cylinder. So we are required to find the surface area of this capsule. Surface area is equal to, in this diagram, these sides are not appear in these dotted portion, this and this do not appear in the capsule, because when this capsule is filled with medicine, there is medicine up to this. So these are not the known faces. This faces we are not taken in the total surface area. So this is not taken, this is not taken. This is the curved surface. So curved surface area of cylindrical portion is 2 pi r h plus this is one hemisphere, this is 2 hemisphere. So its area is 2 into pi r square. So it's 2 pi r h plus 4 pi r square. In this 2 pi r is common, so it's h plus 2r. So 2 pi is 22 by 7. R is the radius 5.2. H of cylinder is 9 plus 2 into 5.2. This cancel out. So this becomes 44 by 7 into 5.2. This becomes 9 plus 5 is 14. This is 22 this is 7 2. So this is 44 into 5. 5 4 is 20. This is 22. So 220 mm square is the area of this capsule. In this question, these dotted portion is not included, because when we include this means that there is one portion of capsule, there is another one, there is another one. But in this question, the capsule is entire one. This means these faces are not here. So we draw these faces by dotted lines. This means this area and this area is not included in the capsule. So it's the cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. This we take in one hemisphere. This is another hemisphere. So we take this area and this area in the hemispheres, which is 2 pi r square, and we cannot take it twice. We take only once in hemisphere. So cylinder is 2 pi r h, which is the curved surface area of cylinder. Thank you.